Ask you, there was even Trump himself had said Florida was must win, but then down the stretch here we saw, let's go to Michigan, looking for other paths and suggesting they might have them. Do they exist, or was this a head fake we've seen?
Well, so even some of Trump's closest advisors by mid-afternoon today were starting to talk about what if. What if Donald Trump hadn't engaged in a month-long battle against the Khan family? What if Donald Trump hadn't taken so long and really never properly apologized for the Access Hollywood? And the answer to the what if is, what if he'd focused instead on a strategy that remade the maps? What if they'd had a real campaign that could have targeted their voters and turned out their voters? Then it wouldn't be a lights-out moment for them if they come out short in Florida. You've called it the checkmate state, and I agree with that. And I think that what they will be talking about if they come up short is how they might have been able to remake the map so that states like Florida and North Carolina weren't do or die.